Good day, and welcome to another exciting teaching on Just Eloquentness. I am Emma. You probably know that whenever you see CH in a word, it's usually pronounced as ch, as in che or chocolate. But guess what? Sometimes those two letters actually make the sound sh. It's a little tricky, but don't worry. I'm here to help you get it right. Let's check out 10 common words where ch sounds like sh and learn how to say them perfectly.
I'm ready! 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 I'm ready!
This word is pronounced as chef and not chef. This word is pronounced as chalet and not chalet. This word is pronounced as machine and not machine. This word is pronounced as chic and not chic. This word is pronounced as champagne and not champagne. This word is pronounced as charade or charade. It is not pronounced as charade or charade. This word is pronounced as chiffon and not chiffon. This word is pronounced as cash and not catch or cache. This word is pronounced as crochet and not crochet. This word is pronounced as cliché and not cliché. So, practice, practice, practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. Do not forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe for more language tips.